Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Melissa.
I'm Garrett.
And we are the Leffersons. Today we have another Disney Backstage Collection subscription. This is actually from the Shop Disney website. This is a subscription service. Why can't I talk right now?
It's a subscription service through Disney.
Yes, it is. So we actually got one last month and it was like our intro. You should show them the
it comes in this little container.
We got like our welcome tin that came with a shirt that had the same thing, and we also got a pin and I think like a little postcard.
We'll link it.
Yeah, we'll link that video up above from our first package, but this is our second one and we have absolutely no idea what it's going to look like or anything. So can you tell us what the Disney Backstage Collection is?
So from what I understand, it's kind of the history of Disney. So it's exclusive stuff from the Disney archive.
Right. So it's cool. And let's do it.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh, fun. There's Forky.
So this, it looks like it's from Pixar Backstage, and it has Forky on there, and Woody being bent in half, and all sorts of cool stuff. And then, oh, what's his name?
That's the guy that rides a motorcycle.
Yeah, I want to say Duke Nukem.
What's his name? Are there names on there? What does it say next to some of these things?
Am I doing right? Oh, very good, cowboy. Don't bend your knees. This looks like an initial drawing of Forky, a paperclip nose, bubblegum feet. This is fun. So this one is Pixar Backstage, and it's release 2. So let's rip it open and see what's in here.
All right, release 2.
The shirt's your favorite color.
It is, yellow.
Yeah.
It matches the tin.
So we'll open the shirt later. But let's see what else is in here.
Cute.
So there's a coaster that comes with each one, and this one is, it looks like a sketch of Forky. Hold on a second, let me read the back. This kind of explains the art on the canister. In 2013, the Disney and Pixar Toy Story 4 is in development with humor and heart and trial and error. Pixar animators are busy brainstorming memorable characters through a series of impromptu sketches. Your exclusive t-shirt featuring one such drawing with Duke Kaboom. That's his name. He's a Canadian daredevil. Showing Woody how to do a daredevil pose. And on your collectible pin is Forky chatting up a cat face shoe drawn as a gag because the new Pixar character was described as being so naive, he would talk to anything with a face. All right, so let's check out the pin first. And you get an exclusive pin only to these collections.
So it's gonna be Forky.
Forky.
Oh my god, I love how it has the little ball and that's the Pixar light. Oh, this is so cute.
There is a sketch of Forky talking to a shoe with the Pixar lamp and the Pixar ball, and it's like in a little frame here. Forky's saying, I feel like you really understand where I'm coming from, and he's talking to a shoe. Obviously, that didn't make it into Toy Story 4, but these are just the initial sketches. So on the back of the pin, it's really neat because it has the actual backstage, Pixar Backstage stuff, and it's black, which is always cool.
Yeah, so it says Pixar Backstage Animation Studios, 2019. And we were wondering, it's hard to see, there it is. We were wondering last time if these are like limited edition or limited release because they don't say on the back, but only so many people get this, right? So yeah. We're wondering, I don't know. It doesn't say that it's limited release or limited edition, so we don't really know. I guess it's just open edition, but this is so cool. I love the little ball too. It's so fun. So also the Pixar lamp, I feel like you don't see that on pins.
No, not too often.
That's cool.
All right, so the shirt is all rolled up and it's a wonderful yellow color, which my wife loves.
I should have got this one in my size. So I should mention that this is not personalized. I feel like in the last box we said that it was personalized for male or female. It's actually not. It's just personalized per your t-shirt size. So I should have just got my size because it's my color.
So this is a great big extra large and it has Woody and Duke Kaboom, with Duke Kaboom teaching Woody how to pull off some stunts. Am I doing it right? Very good, cowboy. Don't bend your knees.
That's awesome.
So then, and the collar is really neat because it's the the silhouettes of all the people from Toy Story.
Oh my
There's Gabby, Rex, all of them. Bo.
That's so
fun.
cool. The fun little touches on these shirts. On last month's, it had something cool in the inside too.
It was a quote.
Yeah, it was a quote from Walt Disney. It's so cool.
And then on the sleeve, they have a little patch. I don't know what that means.
What do the numbers mean?
I think, is that the license plate from the truck in Toy Story?
Yeah, I don't know. Comment down below if you know what the numbers mean. What are the numbers?
It is B3N604.
Yeah, that might be like the license plate. It looks like a license plate number. Like that would make sense.
On the Pizza Planet truck from the original Toy Story. That's what I'm guessing, but I don't have my phone on me to check it.
So how cool is this shirt? I'm so sad that it's not mine because
You can still
like
rock
I'm
it.
wearing yellow right now. Like look at me and all my yellow. I feel like you're gonna have to wear this at Disney, and I'll wear a yellow shirt too, and we'll just
And
be
we can
yellow.
match.
We'll just be yellow together. It'll just be a ray of sunshine.
So how much is this a month? Do you remember?
So we paid for 3 months just to start out with. You have to pay it all up front. I remember paying all 3 months all up front. It was like $130 for
Okay.
the 3 months. So 130 divided by 3. You guys can do the math, right?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like the price is worth it because yeah, you only get a t-shirt and a pin,
And a coaster.
but you get things like
That
you can't get this anywhere
No.
else. And this is straight like from the Disney archives. Like what? This pin is amazing. Like it's just so cool. I think it's awesome. And I love how they give a little bit of like a background of the story behind everything because we kind of were like, what are these things? But I love that they give you a little background of it. That's really cool.
I like it. I'm
And-
excited to see what next month is.
Yeah,
and
that's what I was gonna say.
see where the story goes.
Yeah.
And then we'll kind of determine if we're going to keep it going.
Yeah, because then next month is our last month, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll need to decide if we're going to continue this or not.
Yeah, let us know if you like this stuff, and we'll
Yeah.
keep it going just so
Comment
you guys
down below
can.
if you enjoy these unboxings with this. This is cool. You
I
learn
like
a
it.
little bit. I guess that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave that comment down below. Let us know what you think about the subscription service. And also subscribe to our channel for more Disney content. We have Vlogmas coming up so soon. Also, let us know. Comment down below. A lot of you guys have already been leaving us lots of comments about Vlogmas, but if there's anything you're interested in seeing from us for Vlogmas, leave that comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye!
See you later.